how to pinpoint my niche and find the product that I'm actually looking for, and how to find suppliers, legitimate suppliers on Amazon. I've actually done quite a bit of that before, and Amazon's changed over the years. Yeah, I got a lot of product ideas from the conference, some that I already had looked at, but actually didn't go ahead with it because I hadn't actually done a look at the numbers. I've done quite a bit of other Amazon training and export training, and nothing compares to this training with Peter Sun and Alex Ryan. The best that I've actually experienced probably within the last 10 years. I recommend anyone to come to the conference to learn how to sell products on Amazon. Yeah, very approachable. If you've got any questions, he's more than happy to help you out. He doesn't keep anything to himself. If he can help you, he wants to help you. Brilliant, absolute fantastic bloke to deal with.